be changing the exhaust tips on the Redeye. I'm pulling up to the exhaust shop right now. God damn. Oh, that bitch sounds stupid. Got a brand new filter, brand new green belt, brand new supercharger. Basically got a brand new motor, man.
Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? I just cleaned the cat up. That's a tire cleaner that's sitting on the tires right now. I'm just letting it soak on the tires because they was dirty, but I cleaned the rims and I cleaned the car. That's just a little bit of wetness and it gotta dry up. Hit it with the towel. But yeah, let me know if I did good, y'all. You know that's your shit. Alright, what I was saying, what's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be changing the exhaust tips on the Redeye. Because as y'all know, I got a wrap matte black, and so the car not blue no more. I got titanium tips on there right now. So yeah, it's time to change the tips. The titanium is blue, so it's the same color as the indigo blue that I had on here. But yeah, so I'm pulling up to the exhaust shop right now. I'm gonna change these tips. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I got my little dog with me. Yeah. I'm at the tire shop right now, man. Getting some new tires. Yeah, they worn out. They don't look bad, but the inside of it, the inside bad. Yep, the inside of this was bad as hell. Probably need an alignment for it to keep on the inside like that. These new tires right here, they're gonna be putting on, man. Brand new boards, man. Brand new, man. LOC, we at the car wash right now, the little hand wash. You know what I'm saying? On the north side of Jacksonville, you feel me? We finna just go ahead. I ain't finna let them touch my wrap or nothing like that. I'm just getting my rims clean because them bitches filthy as fuck. And I'm getting like the curve rashes, I'm getting them corrected. So don't be saying that about my rims, man. But yeah. Soon as we leave here, we going straight to the exhaust shop, you feel me? Straight to the exhaust shop, you feel me? Y'all see that clear hood on that bitch? Stop playing, man. You know how lit we is.
Take the bed off.
Getting in bit detail right now. They ain't touching the wrap or nothing. They just cleaning the rims. They cleaning the rims and they vacuum and detailing the inside. I do the wrap myself. I don't want nobody messing it up. Cat at the light, man. Why about the cat at the light? Huh? Yeah. Oh, you done? Carven tips going on the cat, man. Brand new carbons going on the Redeye. Carven boys. Huh? Like the total price? 100? Damn. Yeah. Ooh, them bitches gonna look crazy. See, that's them 5-inch boys. Huh?
What was it?
God damn. I need my shit shooting flames like that. I better straight burn that bit quick. Hey, y'all think this enough right here? I feel like the fitment just perfect. I'm gonna do it like this. Lift that bit up, kinda. Type shit. What about through a camera? That bit straight through a camera?
No, you can roll it down.
Damn, I like the way that bit line up. That shit lining up just perfect. They both even too this time. Last time they wasn't even. Huh? Oh, okay. That bit definitely idle with people. Oh shit. That bit sound crazy as fuck. God damn. Oh, that bit sounds stupid. You said what? Oh, okay. I gotta let some of them air out them tires, but they be going crazy, y'all. Dang! Let's see how that bit sound under the tunnel. Under the tunnel action, man.